This is how to play Among Us. Among Us is an online multiplayer social deduction game for 4 to 10 players and can be played with friends or online with strangers. At the beginning of each game, every player is assigned a role of either crewmate or imposter. When playing as a crewmate, you will be assigned tasks to complete so you can repair the ship. The object of the game is for the crewmates to complete all of their tasks before the imposters kill the crew. If you come across a dead body, you can click the report button, which will call a team meeting to discuss where you found the body and who you think the killer might be. You can also call an emergency meeting at any time by using the button in the middle of the map. After the discussion, everyone votes on who they think the imposter is, and the person who gets the most votes is ejected from the ship. But if you're really not sure who to vote for, you can always choose the skip button. If a majority of the people choose to skip, then no one is ejected from the ship at that time. If you get killed, you can continue to complete your tasks as a ghost to help the team, but you cannot communicate during meetings anymore. If you're playing as an imposter, the goal is to kill the crewmates before they complete their tasks, and you'll be able to sabotage the ship by locking down rooms and shutting off lights and doing other things that will slow the crewmates down. To kill a crewmate, you must get close to them and then click the kill button. There's a cooldown period between kills, which gives you time to either report the kill or run away before someone sees you there. Imposters are able to use the vents to get around the ship faster, but crewmates cannot, so don't get caught going into one. Whenever a meeting is called, you'll also participate in the discussion, pretending to be a crewmate. And as an imposter, you will also be given fake tasks to work on, so you can pretend to blend in with the crew. And that's how to play Among Us.